Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this video, I'm going to show how to use Sparklines. This is another type of data visualization tool that available in Microsoft Excel. So, the Sparklines is basically to summarize and exhibit a row or column data graphically in a single cell. Means that we're going to put a graph in a single cell to compare. Let's say we want to compare these three brands together. So we want to show, instead of looking into the number, we want to see the graph, the brief graph. Basically, we really want to see the brief graph to catch which brand has the highest value, highest item sold, and which brand has the lowest item sold. So the function we call as a sparkline. So you can see here, this is a sparkline function available in Microsoft Excel. Currently there are line chart, column chart, and win and loss chart available. For example, let's say I want to compare these three items. I just click on insert tab. Insert tab, and then just click on column. Let's say I want to show a bar chart, column chart. So data range is, I select this data, right? And then location where I want to put, I just want to put here, and then click OK. So it will show a bar chart basically. Let's say I highlight all of these and make it the column bigger, a bit bigger, so we can see the whole things, right? So as a graph is already in the cell, we can use drag and drop, so it will show the bar graph. So now to read this one, the first column will represent brand A, the second column will represent brand B, and the last column will be represent brand C. So by having this kind of graph with a single color, it will not give eye-catching information to us. So what we can do is we can just highlight this graph, right? So we can highlight the highest value and the lowest value probably. So when we select this cell, it will appear a Sparkline tab over here. So we just click on Sparkline tab, and then there are a lot of information that or adjustment that we can do. But I just want to make focus on marker color. So let's say we want to change the color to green color. We can also change it to green color, or let's say I want to change it to blue color, right? And then what I need to bring you to focus is a marker color. So it has a higher point, negative point, lower point, first point, last point. For bar chart, let's say I want to focus on highest point to put the green color, and the lowest point should be on the red color. So now it will give us an eye catching, so we can see the green color will represent the highest item sold for that brand if you compare it for the three brand. So let's say instead of having a bar chart comparing for each brand, let's say I want to know since this is regarding the time, so I want to know for brand A, which month that this brand having a lowest item sold, the highest item sold. So let's say I want to draw a line chart over here. So I just go to insert and click find Sparkline and find line chart here. So I just create Sparklines dialog box will appear. So you just for data range, just select brand A, data for brand A, and location, I want it to appear here on B16. So then I click OK. So it will show us the line chart. As usual, we can drag and drop for the brand B and brand C as well. So if you highlight this one, you cannot, yeah, cannot. So now let's say for this one, I want Excel to focus on which month having highest volume and lowest highest item sold and lowest item sold. So I can go to Sparkline and create tick on marker color, find highest point. Let's say highest point I want to put green color, so it will mark on highest point. This is lowest point. So let's say I want to change the color. I don't want it to be on the blue color, dark blue color, just a very nice light color. So I can see on the month of December for brand brand A, it has a highest mark, highest item sold. For the brand B, since this is a rough graph, we cannot really estimate when, but we can say that in the middle is having a highest item. If you look at the table, sure, the most of items sold on June, month of June. This one is for December. So I think we can get some faster input when you use an additional tools such as Sparkline in the Excel, Microsoft Excel. So I think that's all. Hope you got some benefit from this and you got an idea to to do a data visualization in future. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. If you have time, please share this video. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.